Understanding warm recommendation. Enhance your English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, warm recommendation. This phrase is not just about suggesting something. It's about doing it with enthusiasm and personal approval. So, grab your notebooks, and let's unravel the meaning and usage of this expressive phrase together. A warm recommendation is a phrase used when someone suggests something, like a book, a movie, a restaurant, or any service, with a lot of enthusiasm and personal liking. The word warm here is key. It implies that the recommendation is not just a casual suggestion, but one that comes with personal warmth and a strong belief in the value of what is being recommended. It's like telling a friend, "I absolutely love this book, and I think you will too." The adjective, warm, in this context is used metaphorically. It doesn't refer to physical temperature but to the feeling of warmth in human relationships, such as kindness, affection, and genuine care. When you make a warm recommendation, you are essentially extending a piece of yourself, your tastes, and your positive experiences to someone else, hoping they will find the same joy or utility in it. 1. In personal conversations, I have a warm recommendation for a cafe downtown. They have the best coffee and a cozy atmosphere that I think you'll love. 2. In professional settings, based on your requirements, I can give you a warm recommendation for this software. It's been incredibly useful in our projects. 3. In reviews and testimonials, this book comes with my warmest recommendation. It's a masterpiece that has significantly impacted my perspective on life. Giving a warm recommendation can strengthen relationships and build trust. It shows that you care about the person's interests and well-being. Moreover, it can enhance your credibility because recommending something warmly suggests you have a deep understanding or appreciation of it. It's a simple yet powerful way to connect and share what you love with others. We hope this exploration of the phrase, warm recommendation, enriches your English vocabulary and helps you communicate your enthusiasms more effectively. Remember, a warm recommendation is more than just a suggestion. It's a personal endorsement filled with affection and trust. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more insights into the English language with you. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.